Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to another DIY hair treatment video. Do not make this powerful hair growth oil if you're not ready for extreme hair growth. This hair growth oil is going to grow your hair faster. It's going to grow back your bald spot. It's going to cure alopecia in men and women. It is going to thicken your hair, and this hair growth oil is also great in regrowing your lost edges, and it is also very good in treating dandruff and dry itchy scalp. To make this powerful hair growth oil, I'm going to be using this ancient African leaf called papaya leaves, aka pawpaw leaf. Papaya leaf has lots and lots of benefits. Papaya leaf has a lot of benefit for the health. It has a lot of benefits for the skin, and it has a lot of benefit for our hair. And in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on the benefits of papaya leaves for hair growth, as this channel focuses on natural remedy to grow hair, natural remedy to cure dandruff, natural remedy to grow lost edges, and natural remedy to take care of your hair and help you have extremely healthy, natural, and relaxed hair. So I had already washed and hair dry my papaya leaves before making this video, because I did not want any form of water in this hair growth oil. So I just went ahead to cut out the unwanted part from my papaya leaves, and next thing I went ahead to pound my papaya leaf. I did not make use of a blender because I don't want any water in my hair growth oil. And I added 150 ml of olive oil. You can use coconut oil, and I went in with my pounded papaya leaves. You can see this leaf is totally dry. There's no form of water in my leaf, and this is exactly why I did not blend. If you blend, you're going to end up having water in your papaya leaf, and that will make your oil to go bad. I'm going to use the double boiling method to start my infusion. All you just have to do is to put water in a pot and place the bowl containing your mixture in the pot. Let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, let it cool down, and then go ahead and cover it up and let it infuse for 24 hours. I left mine for 48 hours because I got very busy. So after 48 hours, this is what we have, guys. Our oil is now looking more greenish in color because it has infused and it has all the benefits in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain the oil, and I'm going to be showing you how to use this oil the right way. And I'm also going to be talking about the benefits of papaya leaves for hair growth. So do not go away, so you can get all the instruction at the end of this video. And if you have been watching without subscribing, please kindly click on the red subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell notification. Please click on that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post another hair treatment video. And also ensure to give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can push it out to other viewers who are looking for hair treatment video. So guys, this is how our hair growth oil is looking. You can see how potent and greenish is looking. This is going to be so effective. So guys, the first thing I do before using the oil, I go ahead and spray water on my hair just to make it hydrated. And then I went ahead to use the oil on my hair section by section, and I'm going to be taking my time to massage, because massaging your scalp is very essential for healthy scalp, and an healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. So guys, just take your time, apply it section by section, and then you go in with your fingertip, or you can use a massager like the one I'm using in this video. Make sure you take your time to apply it section by section, and do not miss out any part, especially the part you're having bald spot or your hairlines. Just make sure you focus this oil on your problem areas. Like I told you, this oil is going to help you thicken your hair. It's going to help you regrow your lost edges. It's going to cure alopecia in both men and women. And this oil is great for treating dandruff and dry itchy scalp. So while we continue with the application, I am going to be telling you the benefits of papaya leaves for hair, which makes this hair growth oil very effective. Papaya leaves help to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth because it contains folic acid and antioxidants, which promote the circulation of blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the hair follicles, and this allow growth of new hair. This is why this hair growth oil is very effective in regrowing lost edges, and it's also very effective in treating alopecia in both men and women. The antimicrobial properties of papaya help to prevent several infections that can damage your scalp and prevent your hair from growing. Papaya leaves help to control dandruff. One of the major causes of dandruff is fungal infection, and papaya's antifungal properties help to control and prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, dryness, flaky, and papaya leaf is great in treating hair loss, split ends, and it is also great in growing back your edges. So if you want to grow back your lost edges, then you just have to make this oil, apply it on your edges every day. You're to use this oil daily, and just always take your time to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp is very necessary. It's going to promote blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Until I see you all in my next video. Bye guys.